So as you noted in your introduction, financial services are a very significant part of the UK economy, around over 8%, and around half of this output is generated in London and half across the rest of the UK. And this means that financial services in the UK are the fourth largest in the OECD, and by the proportion of financial services in national economic output. So they're a very significant sector. London's important, but I think it's important to note it's not just exclusively a city and southeast issue. Makes up around 3% of all jobs, and that's figures from Q1 2022. In terms of the current issues facing the sector, I draw attention to the relationship that the UK has with Europe. We know that trade matters significantly, geography matters significantly in terms of services trade. And the market access to the EU has changed quite significantly post-Brexit. Related to that, I think there's an important piece of work, opportunities and potential risks around developing the UK's domestic regulatory regime post-Brexit, what that means both for wholesale and for consumer finance. The second area I draw attention to are emerging markets in financial services, so green and digital are particularly important there. And then finally, I draw attention to the importance of what you might think of as ancillary issues. And here I draw attention to the attraction and retention of skilled and talented labour, internationally and domestically, and also issues around data flows, data security, etc.